In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Tag Manager account, and more importantly, how you can easily restore it if needed. Navigating through account settings can sometimes be daunting, especially if you don't do it all the time. So I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google Tag Manager account. As simple as it sounds, some people forget this crucial step, so make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. What you're looking for is the Admin tab. Clicking on it will take you to a dashboard where you manage various settings for your account. Next, locate and click on Account Settings. This section is essentially the control hub for your account, where all the crucial control options are centralized. Look towards the top right corner and you'll notice three little dots. Clicking on these is your next step. It's important to pay attention here as this menu can often contain features you might not encounter regularly. From the drop down menu that appears, select Delete. It's a straightforward option but carries a weighty decision, so make sure this is what you have set out to do. Once you choose to delete, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. It's vital that you're absolutely certain you want to proceed, because moving past this point initiates the deletion process. Now let's switch gears and talk about how you can restore a Google Tag Manager account if you've acted a bit hastily or circumstances have changed. After you delete an account, it isn't gone forever immediately. Instead, it is moved to a type of holding area, which might be referred to as the trash or recycle bin. Within this space, locate the account you have deleted. Don't panic if you don't find it immediately. It's typically organized by the time it was deleted, so retrace your timeline. Once you've found the account, select it and then click on the Restore button. This brings your account back to life, and all the containers within it will also be restored as a bonus. There are a couple of important notes to bear in mind as you navigate this process. Accounts are moved to the trash or recycle bin for 30 days prior to being permanently deleted. So if you think there's even the slightest chance you may need the account again, act within this window. Remember, restoring an account also means restoring all its containers, so you're not losing any of your valuable configurations. And there you have it. Now you know both how to delete your Google Tag Manager account and importantly how to retrieve it if needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.